Right, well, we're taking a walk down here. We're at Mr Moo's ice cream parlour, caravan and camping site. Really nice weather it's been while we've been down here, but the old dog don't seem to want to walk that far. It's got sort of comfortable on the site for some reason, and it does about 300 yards every day. It's a funny thing, it is. But I'm going to have a walk along the coast this morning. Tide goes out, I think it's about 10:30, and they don't come back in until about 5:15, I think. So I can do a fair bit of walking today, or at least for a couple of hours. Have a look around, take a few pictures. Should be good. It's about a 15-minute walk up here, and yeah, we'll get down here and we'll have a look. Don't know if you can see them over there. There's a load of cows over there. That's probably what they make milk for the ice cream as well, you see. Seems to be a big thing in Yorkshire, ice cream. Now there's thousands. There seems to be, you know, hundreds of people who come down here for ice cream, which I find quite amazing really. But you know, if it works, it works, doesn't it? So yeah, we have tried the ice cream. It's very nice. I might try and put a little bit of video in here when we got it, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Right, quick video. Mr Moo's ice cream. Mr Moo's ice cream, but not only do they do ice cream, they do Cornish pasties and sausage rolls, but you get ice cream as well, of course. So yeah, so I just thought I'd do that. Mr Moo's ice cream. So we're going to give it a go, see what you think. So anyway, so if you come here, you've got to do that. So anyway, I'm going to go and enjoy. But yeah, it's very nice indeed. Plenty of flavours, and also had a Cornish pasty. Got a sausage roll with me as well, which I'll try out. That should be good. Yeah, anyway, let's carry on. There's an old World War II pillbox over there. It's on private land though, so we can't get on that, unfortunately. There's the cows. That you can see them better now. Got them bloody wind turbine things, though. Yeah. Don't think I needed to put a coat on today either somehow. It's going to get a bit bloody warm. I'll catch you when we get down near the sea. There's another World War II pillbox here. Needless to say, it's all full of rubbish and God knows what else. But that's a big one up there, that one. I don't know if you can see it from here. But that's a fair size, that one. Up there. Anyway, on we go. There we are. After you. I'll let you go first, we'll end up in a heap otherwise.
Yeah, thank you.
There we are, it's the North Sea again. We're going to have a wander up here. We're going to have a wander up this way, I think. Well, the drone is telling me I'm in an enhanced warning area, so I'll have to be a bit careful, I suppose. I'm only going to do a bit of footage of me walking down the beach, so I can't see an aeroplane getting that low. If it does, I'll be in more danger of the aeroplane, I would have thought, but there you are. That's your good old CAA for you. Right, anyway, let's carry on with this. Let's get this drone in the air. Well, let's carry on. That's enough sodding around with drones. I didn't have a lot of battery on that drone, so I got a little bit of footage. And we are in a geo-fence zone as well, so, or close to one. So, not sure what that is. It could be those bloody wind turbine things over there. You're not allowed to fly around them or something, because a drone flying into one might put it out of action. Yeah, okay. Yeah, alright. It's a shame Miliband don't fly into one, isn't it, really? But there you are. We won't get political at the moment. Can't help it though, can you? Aye, bloody dickhead he is. Anyway. A beautiful bit of beach. Like I said, the tide don't come in till about quarter past 5 this evening, so I can have a fair walk up here. Well, we are definitely on an eroding coast for sure. You can see it all crumbling away. Look at this, I'm the only one here. Well, there's a couple of people right up there walking a dog. Look at this. What's the old saying? Living a dream. I don't know. Yeah, but you certainly can't beat this weather, can you? It is beautiful. It really is. Yeah, we had a little bit of trouble with the old car. That last video I put on about the old front brake caliper. I've managed to free it out, and where we've been driving it the last day or two, the heat cycles in the brake caliper where it gets hot and gets cold every time we use it, and where I freed it out at Skegness, it's now operating much better. But when we get back home in a couple of weeks time, I'll probably end up putting a couple of new calipers on it, because yeah, why not? It'll be alright, but I like it to be 100%, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, but anyway, I got over that problem. It was a little bit of an issue because it was warming up the rotor, and I didn't want it frying the wheel bearing. I mean, I've got temperature sensors on them, so I can monitor it when I'm towing it with the motor on, but nonetheless, it's still nice to know, isn't it? But there you go. That's because the car didn't really get used that great deal. You know, I converted it and didn't get used much, but now we've been doing a few miles in it. The old little gremlins come out, don't they? You know, so could be worse. Could be worse. So there we are. Yeah, we're heading off to a place up North Yorkshire on Wednesday. It's another, I don't know, 2-hour drive or so, couple of hour drive. Oh no, I don't feel. No, actually, no, it's not that far. I think it's about an hour and a half. We're staying there for 2 or 3 nights, and then we're heading off over to Home Firth, where they filmed Last of the Summer Wine, which should be good. Fella there having a look round, see if there's any fossils probably. So yeah, we're going up there, last of the summer wine country. Have a look there, which will be good. Oh, there's a big boulder here, look, in the middle. Let's have a look at this. It's a shame the old dog can't get down that path. It's just a little bit too far for it. By the time it gets down the path, it's had enough. It's a shame, really. All these little flies and things and mussels and yeah. Right, let's get a picture of me here. Come to an interesting little bit here, look. It looks like there could have been some steps here. Try it. Oh. Oh. Not the easiest of things to do with all the camera here. What's that there? A field. Looks like you can walk down this way. Get up here. Let's go up here. Not sure I'm supposed to be walking along here, not really, but it looks like other people have done it. Good view there. Yeah. So you come down from there, look. See that? We'll have a wander up here. Let's see. The sea is going to claim it all. That's for sure. This is why you've got to be careful where you're walking. The path disappears. Look at that. Okay, this bit ain't quite as high, but it's high enough. You don't want to fall down there, do you? Ready to fall. Can't believe I'm the only person up here. That's fantastic. That beach, when you look at the beach from here, that's golden, isn't it? Look at that. Nice golden sand. Looks nice, doesn't it? Hello mate, alright? Oh right, yeah, did you go up to the steps up there? Oh, you come round that, they're a bit precarious, but there's some like mud steps down there with a bit of rope. On that one and all.
There's another one,
is it? I ain't been down this one. No, there's another one up there.
No. Yeah, I mean, it's camped. I've been here before. They're going to put a cap channel in now.
Oh,
It's been a bit easier, but before it was down here last time I was here.
Oh, I see. Oh right. Oh, there's another one up there. I've been strolling along.
When you can't go back up, can you? Even this is
a bit dodgy. Well, I'm up at Mr Moo's.
Oh, I know me.
I'm up there.
So,
field, yeah. Oh right, yeah.
There's a San Martins. You don't get as many seeing San Martins.
No.
Just round this cliff face here.
Yep.
They're all on the side of the cliff face. San Martins. They're all in and out. And I thought, sun's right now, see?
Yeah, go and get your camera. Yeah.
So I've been fetching the camera.
I'll get them up. Get a lot of them up mine because I live down near Harwich.
Oh, you got there.
And Rabness, you get a lot of them.
We get a lot of swifts, swallows.
Yeah.
You don't see San Martins, not where we are.
Yeah. Oh, there you are. Take most of it, mate. Yeah.
Right, mate.
Yeah, I might come back down here myself. Yeah, I think so. I'd rather walk down there than down the road. I didn't see this on the way up. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. That's might be long, will it? Might be long. I'll be alright, I reckon. Find out in a minute. If I can sort myself out up here, I've got too much bloody stuff with me. Right. That's all right, isn't it? See, it don't help when you're left-handed. I'm an awkward bugger. Oh, that's easy enough, isn't it? Oh, I'll see it, yeah. Ah, sort that, Yeah, I'm alright. Yeah, I'm good. I've had worse than that, mate. I've had worse than that, climbing about on roofs for people. It's just with the bloody camera stuff, ain't it? Cheers, buddy.
I got back to mine.
I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that on the way up. Well, here we are. He was a decent fella. He was a decent fella. That was Paul. Another Paul. Having a chat there. He's been getting about a bit. So yeah. I would never have gone down that cliff though if I hadn't seen him. So yeah. That was interesting. I'll have a walk back to the van now. Well, there we are. That was a little stroll down there at Skipsea, or Mr Moo's beach. Mr Moo's beach. Get back to the van.